Oh, love. Hi, Fred. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Hi, Frank. Essas orelhas lindas de amor. That hurts, sweet love. That hurts, my girl. Y'all, it's coming in. She is rolling in. I hope y'all could see the sky as beautiful as it looks because, oh my goodness, woke up to bright skies. The change was drastic. Oh, I already feel it. There's that drizzle already coming in. Get out of there with the damn tractor, man. What's wrong with you? What, love? What, sweetheart? What's up, my sweet boy? You okay? You need more grass, huh? How about some oak? You are so possessive, my girl. You're like your mother. Yes, you're like your mother. Is that good stuff? Guinea Winnie Blue Eyes. Hi. You want leaves? I don't think you eat leaves. You perfect bird. You're just the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at you. You perfect thing. Mama, is it all about you, girl? Yes, it is. Yes, I am owned by you. Yes, you own me. I am yours and only yours. Nobody could come ever close between us anywhere. No, baby, it's for you I am. You scared my girl? You want more? You want more? Yes, my boy. Ooh, baby. Let me see. Damn it. It's a big boy. some snacky manacky. Your boy, your son looks beautiful, you know that? Your son, yeah, your son, he's gorgeous. You had a beautiful boy. Oh, you have black on your neck. I didn't know that. Where your son at? Let's show everybody your boy. There he is. Vem cá, galão. Vem cá, meu galo. Vem cá, mamãe. Vem cá. Vem cá. Yeah, I was telling everybody how beautiful you are. Why you gotta walk up on people though? Why do you do the things that you do? What's up, man? Just cause you're pretty don't mean nothing. And you? You most beautiful coisa menino grande, que gorducho, mamãe. Oi, oi, oi. I love you, Frank. I love you, Frank. I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much. I love you so much. This is the most beautiful baby I've ever seen. Dang. Oh, uh-oh. Ay. Ay, mamãe. How you doing? Murphy Durfer, always on the run.